Wherever I've cooked, anywhere in the world, one thing is always there. Lee Kum Kee.
리컴키 굴소스는 한국의 친구라고 생각하고 李锦记整个调味品它的品质很高。
They remind me of our family cooking since I was a little girl.
Their sauces are part of kitchens everywhere. For over 130 years, they've been bringing the flavors I love to the world. That's why it means so much to be here in Seoul with Lee Kum Kee at Asia's 50 Best Restaurants, where the region's top chefs and tastemakers come together to celebrate innovation, passion, and flavor. This brand isn't just part of my story. It's part of the story of Asian cuisine around the world. From tradition to innovation, Lee Kum Kee continues to empower chefs like me to create food that connects people, cultures, and generations. As a chef, I've always believed great dishes start with great ingredients. Lee Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce was one of the first I've ever used, and it's still in my kitchen today.